Oscar with OQ Detailing. Follow us as we're gonna detail this Escalade inside and out to be ready to be chauffeured in, to make it look like new, so that it's ready for its limousine service. Since the vehicle was ceramic coated not too long ago, we used this shampoo, which is for maintaining ceramic coatings. You can see here, perfect for maintaining coatings. And we're gonna use this detail spray, ceramic detail spray. I have it in the bead maker bottle, but it's actually the ceramic spray as a topper to give the coating a boost in its performance. And it's gonna make the paint look great as well, very slick as well.